Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Brown color, brown color. Black color, black color. Kids, now we're coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color, red color. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now it is C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use blue color, blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. It's neither G. G for God, G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids, neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use brown color, brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. Kids, neither L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use black color, black color. Kids, again use black color and draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. It's neither N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. And use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. It's neither P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. And use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. Kids write R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. And use yellow color. Yellow color. R for rose. R for rice. The alphabets of R. Kids again use yellow color and draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. Kids write T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. And use green color. Green color. The alphabets of T. Kids again use green color and draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. Kids write V. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And use brown color. Brown color. V for vanilla. Kids again use brown color and draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. Kids write X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. Kids again use black color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. O N E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T W O 2. The numbers of 2. Kids now 3. The numbers of 3. T H R W 3. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F O U R 4. Kids now 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F I V E 5. The numbers of 5. Kids again use yellow color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids write 7. The numbers of 7. And use green color. Green color. S E V E and 7. Kids again use green color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. E I G H T 8. It's now 9. The numbers of 9. And use brown color. Brown color. N I N E 9. The numbers of 9. Kids again use brown color and last we draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids today draw. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.